Okay, so today in front of me I have the Mifo 05 Gen 2s. Now Mifo, in my opinion, since I started using these earbuds, they have been known for great battery life, very good sound, and very good build quality. And with these Gen 2s, nothing has changed. They've actually improved in all three of those categories. Now, I reviewed the Gen 1s, I'll put that YouTube card right here, about 2 years ago. And Mifo has made some necessary changes from the Gen 1s to these Gen 2s that their consumers been wanting for a long time. But there's still one thing that they have not implemented in these. Stick around. Let's talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on, YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Before I get into this review, I just want to let you know that Mifo did send these earbuds over to me for review, but as always, I'm going to give you my full and honest opinion about how I feel about these earbuds. Okay, so currently you can get these earbuds for around $110. I'll put the links in the description down below. There's also going to be a coupon code down there as well. I think it's only good till the 26th of August. I'm a little bit late getting this video out, so if you see it before that, you'll get around $10 to $15 off, put you around $100 for these earbuds. Now they only come in this one color, which is like a gunmetal color. The battery life on these earbuds is just what's amazing. It's around 150 hours. Now they do have the Qualcomm 3040 chipset in the earbuds, which is less taxing on battery, which allows for that 150 hour battery life. On a single charge, you will be able to listen to these earbuds for around 10 hours, and the case will charge these up, what was that, 10 plus 14 more times for a total of 150 hours. You can go a week, 2 weeks without ever throwing these back on a charger. And some people out there just want that type of freedom, not having to come home every single day and throw their earbuds on the charger. Now also, in addition to the 150 hour battery life in here, the battery inside of the case is 2600 milliamp hours. So Mifo has added an adapter, which I'll get into in a little bit, which allows you to charge up external devices using this battery case right here. Okay, so quickly go around the box. On the front side, there's really not much to talk about. You have the image of the earbud. It says 150 hours long play time, which I already talked about. On the back side, it shows you have Qualcomm aptX, talks about the battery life again, Bluetooth 5.2 in here. I'll get into more of that when I'm talking about the latency. Qualcomm chipset, like I said, the 3040 chipset, dual mic noise canceling, mono mode and dual mode, and that's with the hot swapping or being able to use these earbuds independently, which I'll get into also later on in this video. IP67 waterproof and dust proof, touch key, which refers to the touch surfaces on the earbuds. Not a big fan of the touch surfaces, but that's what this has. Battery life again, about 10 hours of play time per each charge, and then it says emergency recharge function. On the inside of this box, as you open it up, you do have your earbud case right here. The earbuds are already installed down here, and then you have your accessory box up here. Get into this accessory box first. They show you pairing instructions, and they show you the touch functions right here. It says a single tap on the left will turn the volume down. A single tap on the right will turn the volume up. A double tap on the left will play and pause your music. Also, double tap on the right will play and pause your music. But if your phone is ringing, a double tap on the left will answer and end your phone calls. And a triple tap on the left will go to the previous track. A triple tap on the right will go to the next track. And so it's nice that they give you the button functions right here as soon as you open it up, so you're not searching through any type of user manual or anything like that. I like that touch. You do have your quick start guide right here, operation guide right here. Here is your USB type A to USB type C charging cable. And this in this neon green color that Mifo likes to use all the time. You do have additional ear tips right here. You get 4 that come in this bag and 1 already pre-installed for a total of 5 additional ear tips. And now here is the adapter that I was talking about earlier. Now this adapter right here allows you to charge up external devices like a phone, I don't know, a Kindle, Paperwhite. I'm just throwing random stuff out there. It allows you to charge that type of stuff up externally on here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I just take this USB type C to lightning cable and try to charge up my phone without using this adapter, nothing happens. So normally my phone will automatically pop on and start charging. But if I take that off and actually put the adapter on, and then use this USB type A cable to lightning and then plug in my phone, automatically
I'm blessed, black, and highly favored.
It starts charging. So if you want to charge up things externally from this battery, from this charging case right here, you will have to use this piece right here. This case is built like a brick house. Excuse my language, but this is a very, very durable and strong built case. All metal design going all the way around it. You have your USB Type-C port on the right side with your indicator light. And the only downside to this case right here is that it's not able to be wirelessly charged. So it doesn't have that feature. You always have to plug it up. If that's something that you're looking for in a charging case or in the earbuds, then these might not be for you. You also have your Mifo logo on the outside right here. On the back side, it shows your input 5 volts 1 amp and output 5 volts 1 amp. So if you're charging things up, it'll only charge up at 5 volts 1 amp. Mifo 05 Gen 2 charging case, 3.7 volts and 26 milliamp hour battery. Like I said before, this is a very, very strong and sturdy case. It's not too big. Let me give you a size comparison. Apple AirPod Pros, Mifo 05 case, it is maybe twice as thick, but I mean, even still, it's still a nice compact design. Now, this door right here is held closed by magnets and it will not open up no matter how hard you shake it. So throwing this in a bag or in a purse, you'll be good money with that. And then also you do have this Mifo custom hinge right here. So it's not like your normal door that you see on most earbud cases where it's just a single hinge. It actually lifts up off of the case. I like it. I don't think it's too flimsy at all. And it's really sturdy when it's closed. On the inside, as you can see, you do have the earbuds right here, and the earbuds are held in by magnets as well. Pretty strong magnets. They will not fall out whatsoever, no matter how hard you shake them. So you can rest assured that when this lid is closed and it's rolling around in your gym bag or in your purse or whatever, you will not have any issues with this thing opening up. Also, on the inside, you do have another indicator light right here. Right now, it's green. This case is fully charged up. I do believe that's what that means. And that's pretty much it for everything about the case. Like I said before, this case is a very durable, strong case. You can definitely do some damage if you feel like throwing this at somebody. Now, going around these earbuds themselves, they are color coded. So the right one has red on the outside, the left one has blue on the outside, and they are an all plastic design. You do have your touch sensors on the outside. And I already went over button functions earlier in this video. So you're able to answer phone calls, play pause music, turn volume up, turn volume down, go to the next track, previous track, you know, all the normal stuff that touch services allow you to do. They have it inside here. And then also, one thing that I would like to mention is that you can use these earbuds one at a time. So they do switch automatically from dual mode to mono mode. So what I mean when I say that, when you're listening to a movie or music or a podcast or something, and if like whoever created that content that you're consuming with these earbuds, if they wanted to make a sound noticeable in the left one where you have both earbuds on, then while you're in dual mode, obviously you'll hear it only in the left and not in the right. But if you put the left one in the case and it's only in mono mode, you'll be able to hear all the noise in the right one. So you won't be missing out if you are listening to these one at a time. You also get 2 mics on both of these earbuds. I do believe underneath this indicator light right here, you have a mic, and at the bottom of the earbud, there's also another mic right here. Very slim look. They do not stick out far whatsoever. There is no ANC in here, so making sure you pick the right ear tip to get that very good seal to have that passive noise isolation is key when you're using these earbuds. Yeah, that's pretty much it for everything about the construction design, the layout, the functionality of the case and the earbuds. Okay, so to pair these to your mobile device, what you want to do is just take these out of the case. They should automatically go into Bluetooth pairing mode. You'll hear Mifo in both earbuds, and they should automatically show up just like that. You go ahead and click on that right there, and then it should just automatically connect. And there you go, connected just like that. Now, if I hit the I button underneath here, and this is obviously for Apple devices only, I can click on here and it's actually show what type of device it is. So I'm gonna put it as headphone right there and then back out. Now, also, if you're having any issues with these earbuds, what you should do is go ahead and disconnect them from your mobile device. Let's see, forget this device right here. And then you want to tap on each earbud 5 times. So if you tap on the left one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you'll get a series of blinking lights. That means it's factory reset. You do the same thing on the right side, it'll factory reset right there. And then so they're not hooked up to your mobile device anymore. They're factory reset. You take them out of the earbud case again, you hear Mifo in the right. you hear Mifo in the left, and then they pop up down here, and then you hook these backups. And so yeah, that's how you pair these to your mobile device and how you factory reset these. I just want to show you that very quickly, just in case if you're having issues when it comes to pairing or factory resetting these earbuds. Okay, so before I get into the sound quality, I just want to let you know that there is no app with these earbuds. That is the one thing that I wish that Mifo would have invested in. I mean, it's been plenty of time since the Mifo 05s originally came out. They've had the Mifo 07s, the Mifo 09s. I've actually reviewed those as well, and they still do not have an app. I'm a big proponent of every single earbud headphone company that has a product in the market to have an app with their earbuds. It's just something that I actually look for when I'm shopping for earbuds for personal use. It must have an app or I'm not messing with it. But nonetheless, there's no app in here. Hopefully Mifo comes around in their next iteration, or hopefully they're working on it. Now to the sound quality. On here, sound quality, without being able to customize the EQ or anything, the sound quality is still very good with what Mifo has engineered this sound to be like. It is a little heavier on the bass, but I also wish that the treble would get a little bit higher. The bass almost drowns out the other sounds in here, but it's like right on the edge. It doesn't. It's really bass heavy. So if you're a bass head, you might like these earbuds. The mids, they sound really good, not muddy, good, evenly spread out between, you know, different instrumentations, different voices, male voice, female voice. And then your highs, like I said earlier, I wish your highs would just get a little bit higher. They are fairly decent, but I wish they would get a little bit higher. It almost seems like the bass is almost trying to drown out the highs in here. But overall, the sound quality is actually very good to not being able to customize it yourself.
Okay, so these earbuds, they do come with your Qualcomm CPC 8.0 intelligent noise reduction technology. And what that does, it helps these earbuds focus more on your voice and to minimize your outside noise so that the person you're talking to doesn't get all the ambient noise coming through on these earbuds. And as you're hearing my voice right now, this is exactly how the other person will hear you on the other end of a phone call. I have tested these out. I didn't have any issues with the person I was talking to saying, hey, there's too much background noise coming in, or them not being able to hear me clearly, or me not being able to hear them clearly. But let me go ahead and give you a test of ambient noise so you can judge for yourself to see how much ambient noise these actually let in. So as you can hear, that is like I said, ambient noise going on in the background right now, and this is how it would sound when ambient noise is actually playing, and it's pretty loud, so listen up. Okay, that concludes my call quality test for these earbuds.
Now moving right on to latency. These earbuds do have Bluetooth 5.2 in them, and like I said earlier, they do have the Qualcomm aptX, AAC, and SBC codecs loaded inside of these earbuds. And I tested these earbuds out on most of your video streaming services: YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, Disney TV, Apple TV Plus. Was it Apple TV Plus? Yeah, whatever. Peacock. All of your usual suspects for your video streaming services had no latency issues whatsoever. And also I tested these out on Call of Duty Mobile, no latency issues at all. So with the Bluetooth 5.0, all different codecs loaded inside of these earbuds, working together seamlessly to bring you very, very low latency. If you do notice any latency, it's because your ears are just more fine-tuned than mine, but I noticed zero latency when it came to watching movies on here, or even streaming game, or even mobile gaming on here. At $100 price point, there are some things that I wish that these earbuds did have, because other earbuds out in the market, they offer more at the same price point, like having the case being able to be wirelessly charged, ANC, transparency mode, an app with customizable EQ. But in those areas where these headphones do lack, they make up for with like great battery life, very good sound, bass heavy sound if that's what you're into, and then also they look very dope. Now, can I recommend these to someone that's in the market for new earbuds? Of course I can, because some people out there, they just want earbuds that sound good, look good, and have long battery life. They don't want to deal with an app. They don't care about transparency or noise canceling. They don't care about any of that. They just want those three things. And these check all three of those boxes for those consumers out there that just want to keep their earbuds simple. And that's all I got for you people. That is my full review on these Mifo 05 Generation 2 earbuds. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, or if this is your first time here to the channel and you like what you're seeing, go ahead and feel free to smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I drop my next tech video. As always, my name is Nicholas. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel, and I'm out. Peace.